Hi everyone! So on the background you'll see two tutorials, one for the choker and one for the small pin. So on this video I'm going to talk about the future of my channel. So I have not been updating much because I went back to school again. I already finished. It was just a small course on Lectra. For those who don't know, Lectra is a program for making clothing patterns on the PC. I already finished it. Finished on January. On February I was working on a huge commission, so I couldn't film. Now I'm going back to YouTube while I'm looking for a job at the same time. So the future of my channel. DIY videos are very hard to make and very expensive, so I can't make as much as I want to. While I will still be making DIY videos, this is a DIY channel. I have some plan for the future and I'm editing some now. I will be throwing some random stuff in the middle, like makeup and project pen and anything that I feel like making, so the channel will become a little bit more personal as well. If you have any suggestion of what you want to see in the future, you can let me know. So in the meantime, enjoy. Thank you so much for your support.